Welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, it's great to have you. I'm Aysen and today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for coding, data analysis, and machine learning, Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is an open source web application that lets you create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text all in one place. It's widely used by data scientists, researchers, and developers around the world. You can think of it as an interactive coding environment perfect for exploring data, building machine learning models, or just taking notes with executable code right next to your thoughts. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding expert to get started. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to open it up and run your first few cells. I explained installing Anaconda, Python, and Jupyter Notebook in the previous lessons. Just watch this video. Before we jump into the steps, if you are enjoying this kind of content or learning something new, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me keep making tutorials like this and you won't miss the next one. Let's go ahead and launch Jupyter Notebook. Once you click launch, it takes a few moments to load and then it will automatically open in your default browser. If it launches a browser window or its own, don't worry, that's expected. We recommend using Google Chrome as your default browser when working with Jupyter Notebooks for the best experience. Once it opens, you'll see that Jupyter uses your browser as a visual interface. It doesn't actually need the internet to run. It's just running locally on your machine. Jupyter typically opens in your user directory, for example, your C drive on Windows or your home folder on Mac operating system. You'll see folders like desktop, documents, downloads, and etc. Clicking on my folder like desktop lets you explore its contents directly in the browser. You can see this file explorer to browse folders, open files, create new folders and notebooks. To make a new folder, click the next drop-down, select folder. You'll see a new folder appears in the list, named something like Untitled Folder. You can check its box, scroll up and click Rename to change the name. Let's say to My Python Stuff. Open it and you'll see it's currently empty. Let's now create a notebook inside the folder. Click New, Python 3 under Notebooks. A new notebook will launch in a separate tab. You'll see this notebook to write and run Python code. Notebooks are made of cells where you can write and execute code. Let's try something simple. In the first cell, type 1 plus 1. To run it, you can go to Cell, Run Cells, or just press Shift Enter. You will see the output too, right below the cell, and a new cell will automatically appear beneath it. You will be using this method a lot throughout the course as we write and test Python code together. Before moving on, try clicking the Help tab in your notebook and start the user interface tour. It will walk you through the layout, toolbar options, and key functions. When you are done, you can simply close the tab. Back in the file view, notebooks that are still running have a green icon next to them. Check the box next to the notebook and click Shutdown to stop it. To delete it, check the box again and click the trash can icon. Why use Jupyter? While you can also write Python code in .py files using a text editor like Sublime Text, we use notebooks in this course because they combine code, text, and images in one place, help organize learning better, allow for quick testing and feedback, so all course materials are organized in Jupyter Notebook. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.